Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my workflow. There's a few things I want to share with you guys, so let's get to it right away. All right, so the 360 booth contract, if you guys already have one, super dope. If you guys don't have one, I have one available on my website. If you guys actually downloaded it from my website, I want to make sure you guys are doing this as efficient as possible. So once you go over to the shop tab right here, you're going to be able to see the 360 booth contract. Once you download that contract, this is the next thing I want you guys to do. Go on Google here. When you see your profile, there's these dots right here. I want you to click on these dots and go over to Drive. Once you go over the Drive, you're going to go to New. So that file you just downloaded from my website, now you want to upload it. So we're going to go to File Upload, and we're going to grab this file and double click it. And now you're going to see right here that you guys are going to be able to open it, right? And once you guys are able to open it, you guys can make whatever changes you need to make. All right, so that's the cool part. You're able to make any changes that you see fit for your specific event. Now, right now, I'm working on revising mine, and I added this section right over here, wheelchair accessible. Our business is committed to accessibility and inclusivity. We are proud to announce that we will be providing a ramp to make our 360 photo booth fully accessible for individuals using wheelchairs. This way, everyone can experience our photo booth without any hindrances, right? So now I'm going to download this because I'm ready to send it to the client. So I'm going to go ahead and download, and then I'm going to do PDF, okay? Now, once you guys download this, I want you guys to try this strategy to see if it helps you with your workflow. You're going to go over to downloads. Okay, you're going to open up this download, and it's a PDF now. So now all you have to truly do is scroll down, right? And all you have to do is go to this little marker section and to this signature section, which I already did. You're going to have to create your signature. I grab that, make it a little bigger, put it right there on the line. And then for here, I'll go to this little section right here and put in today's date. Today's date is 1/30/2023. So that's exactly what I'm punching in right there. And now it's saved, and I can send it to the client. So I'm going to close it, right? And then if you hit space bar, you can scroll down to this page and see that your signature is there. You're good to go. Okay, so that's that. Now, before you compose that email, I also saved the wording right here. So please sign. So I usually copy and paste. It says, thank you for booking a 2-hour 360 booth session with us. Please take a moment to review and sign this 360 booth agreement. This document is time sensitive, so please sign an email back within 48 hours. If you have any questions or need any help, I'll be here to help you. Now, the reason I write that in the email, guys, is because I want my workflow to continue being flowy, right? And so I want to have this information signed and sent back to me, and it's on to the next thing. So I hope this video helps, guys. Take care. By the way, good luck on your next event.